Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have an oil pastel painting and I'm using my Strathmore tone tan paper, which I love, and it does well with the oil pastels. I'm going to go in and with a basic white fluffy shape and make the sheep, and then I'm going to layer in a few other colors just to give a little depth and dimension rather than just a flat white color. But these are the newer Paul Rubin oil pastels. I do have the other ones, which are great too. I feel like these are even creamier, and they are like a Sennelier and super creamy, especially in the summer in Michigan. And I really like them. I'm bummed I didn't get the bigger set, but they have lots of beautiful colors, just like the other one. And of course, you can use them along with the older ones as well. And so just going in with some like gray blues and teals and yellows just to kind of give some dimension to the wool, some shadow, I guess, is what I'm looking for here. If you could take the time, if you enjoy this video and videos like this and art and cooking channels, if you could hit like and subscribe, that would be great. And also if you could check out the links below to find different resources and my Etsy shop and etc., my blog, and that would be great if you could check that out. Thank you for your time. If you're going to go ahead and frame an oil pastel painting, it's good to do it under the glass because it never quite dries completely. So it'll have that, sort of, you'll be able to touch it and move the pigment. So you can frame this under some glass. That would be fun. Going in with my black for the tail and legs. We grew up with sheep, so they're fun, tasty too. But we only named the ones that we didn't eat, I guess you could say. But they are cute animals in real life, so, and they're fun to paint. So I'm gonna go in with his head or her head. It's kind of like a triangle shape, and then their ears are sort of long and flat looking to the sides, and so just some simple shapes there. No real detail to the face here. If you have a favorite oil pastel brand, leave that link down below. I would love to know what your favorite is. I really like the Paul Rubin, and the Mungyo are probably my favorite, and they're very affordable. And I've tried the Blick ones recently, and they're a lot harder. They're not nearly as creamy, which is great if you want to do some maybe detail work or some bottom layering type of thing. I'm trying to think of the other ones. I have Pentel, which is sort of similar. Actually, I prefer the Pentel to the Blick, but those are both lower cost ones, very, very inexpensive. So nice sets if you want to try oil pastels without investing a lot of money. So just putting in some grasses here with a couple different kinds of greens and some browns and giving it a little signature. I hope you'll try it out today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a great day.